Hi BroLearners, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ijaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. In this video we are going to discuss about comparison operator in JavaScript. We have the following comparison operator in JavaScript. First is double equal to check the value is equals to or not. And if we use triple equal, then it is check type of the variable also. If we want to check the value is not equal, then we use exclamation mark and not equal sign. And then if we want to check the value and data type or type, we use exclamation mark and double equal. For if we check the value is less than or equals less than, then we use less than operator. And if we check for greater than value, we use greater than symbol. And if we want to check less than or equals to, then we use less than and equal sign. And if we check for equals to or greater than, then we use greater and equal sign. Let's do in practical implementation. Okay, now first we have a variable var a equals to 70 and var b equals to 80. And now we want to check with the help of document.write. Now check a is less than a is greater than b or not. Let's say you can see it is false. Why? Because a is 70 and b is 80. So that's why it's written false, because a is not greater than b. If we use less than, then save. You can see it is true. Or if we check a is equals to b and change the value of a to 80. Now let's save. You can see it is true. What if we provide b as an in quote? Now let's save. You can say you can see this is again true. Why? Because it does not check the type, it just check the value. If we use triple equal, then it will false. Why? Because the type is, in this case, is not same. If we change this with normal value, now it is same. You can see. And after that we have not equals to. If we use not equal for exclamation mark and change this value 9 and save, you can see it is true. But when we check value of a and b, both are 80, and you can see we have not equal operator, then check, you can see it is false. Why? These are equal. But what if we use double equal and then check? Now it is true. It means these values are not equal. Why? Because this is a number type and this is a string type, and both are not same in type. That's why it is written true. Okay, and after that we have less than or equals to value. If we change 70 and here we use less than and equals to sign and check, you can see false. Why? Because a is greater than b. What if we change with 90 and save? You can see it is true. And if we use 80, then again it is true. Why? Because less than or equals to, both the condition it is true. Or similarly we can use greater than and equals to. For example, if we change 100 and check for greater than equals to, save, you can see it is false. What if we change with 120? Now let's say it is true. And if it is 120, again this is true. This is all about comparison operator in JavaScript. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.